Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start. Hello, Alice. How are you today?
Hello, David. I'm good. I feel calm today. How are you?
I am very well. Thank you for asking. Today is a nice day. The weather feels quiet and soft.
Yes, it feels nice. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yes, exactly. A good day to learn English slowly.
I like learning slowly. It helps me understand better.
That is very good. Slow learning is strong learning. You remember more.
Yes, I feel that too.
Today, we will talk about something important. We will talk about how to speak English like a native, but easy and slow.
Speak like a native. That sounds a little scary.
It does not need to be scary. We will make it simple, very simple.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good. When we say speak like a native, we do not mean fast or difficult English.
Oh, really?
Yes, we mean natural English, easy English, real English.
Real English, like people talk every day?
Yes, exactly like that. The English you hear in daily life.
I like that. I want to understand real conversations.
That is perfect. Today we will listen to real conversations for beginners.
For beginners like me.
Yes, for you, and for many listeners at home.
That sounds good.
We will speak slowly. We will repeat often. We will explain again and again.
I need that. Repetition helps me a lot.
Me too. Repetition is very good for language learning.
So, what will we talk about first?
First, we will relax. We will talk a little about our day.
Okay.
How was your morning today, Alice?
My morning was calm. I woke up, I had breakfast, I drank tea.
That sounds peaceful. I woke up early, too. I drank coffee.
Coffee helps you wake up.
Yes, it does, and it gives me energy to teach English.
Good energy.
Yes, and now we are here, speaking English slowly together.
I like this moment.
Me too. Now, slowly, we will move to our topic. Speak English like a native. Easy and slow.
I am ready.
Good. Before we start, let's tell our listeners something kindly.
Yes.
Dear listeners, if you like this video, please like it.
And please subscribe to the channel.
Yes, subscribing helps us make more calm English videos.
And you can listen every day.
Exactly. Thank you for your support.
Thank you very much.
Now, let's start the lesson part.
Okay, let's start.
When people want to speak like a native, they often think about big words.
Yes, I think that too.
But native speakers use simple words most of the time.
Really?
Yes, very simple words, short sentences.
That is good news.
For example, a native speaker often says, "How are you?"
I know that sentence.
Good. And another native answer is, "I'm good," or "I'm fine."
Not big answers.
No, not big. Simple answers, real answers.
So, speaking like a native is about being simple.
Yes, simple and natural.
Natural. What does natural mean?
Natural means easy, not thinking too much.
Like talking to a friend?
Yes, exactly like talking to a friend.
That sounds nice.
Let's say you meet a friend at work.
Okay,
You do not say, "I am experiencing a wonderful morning."
that sounds very big.
Yes, too big. You say, "Good morning. How are you?"
That feels real.
That is real English.
I see.
Again, speaking like a native does not mean hard English.
It means easy English.
Yes, easy, slow, clear.
Can you give another example?
Of course, let's say you are tired.
Okay,
You do not say, "I am extremely exhausted today."
that is difficult.
Yes, you say, "I'm tired."
Simple.
Very simple.
I like that.
Native speakers often choose short sentences.
So I should not be afraid of short sentences.
Never be afraid. Short sentences are strong.
Strong.
Yes, they are clear. People understand you.
Understanding is important.
Very important.
Can you say it again in another way?
Yes, speaking like a native is about being clear, not clever.
Not clever, just clear.
Exactly.
That makes me feel calm.
Good. Let's look at another idea.
Okay.
Native speakers often use common phrases.
Common phrases?
Yes, phrases people hear every day.
Like what?
For example, no problem.
I hear that a lot.
Yes, or that's okay.
Or sure.
Exactly. These are small phrases.
But they are everywhere.
Yes, because they are easy.
So I should learn common phrases.
Yes, learn common phrases and repeat them.
Repeat them again and again.
Yes, again and again.
Can you give more examples?
Of course, let's say someone thanks you.
Okay.
You can say, "You're welcome."
I know that.
Or you can say, "No problem."
Easy.
Very natural.
I understand.
Good. Now let's talk about sounding friendly.
Friendly English?
Yes, native speakers often sound friendly.
How?
With tone and small words.
What small words?
Words like hey, or oh, or yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, like that.
Are those important?
Yes, they make English sound real.
Can you give an example?
Sure, let's say I ask, "Do you like coffee?"
Okay.
You can say, "Yes," or
Yeah, I like coffee.
"That sounds more friendly."
Yes, very natural.
Again, simple.
Always simple.
Can we practice?
Yes, let's practice together.
I am ready. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Very good. Again, hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Nice. Now say, I'm good. And you?
I'm good, and you?
Perfect.
I feel more confident.
That is great.
Let's do more.
Okay? Repeat after me. No problem.
No problem.
Again, no problem.
No problem.
Good.
This feels easy.
That is the goal.
Easy English.
Yes, easy English with real conversations.
Like the title.
Yes, speak English like a native, easy and slow.
I understand.
Good. Now let's go into real-life scenarios.
I like that part.
Let's start with a restaurant.
Okay, I'm in a restaurant.
You walk in, the waiter says, "Hello."
I say, hello.
Very good. The waiter says, "How are you?"
I say, I'm good, and you?
Very nice. The waiter says, "Good."
Simple conversation.
Yes. Then the waiter says, "Are you ready to order?"
I say, yes.
Or, "Yes, please."
Yes, please.
Natural. Then you say, "I'd like a pizza."
I'd like a pizza.
Very good. That sounds like a native speaker.
Because it is simple.
Yes, simple English works.
Can we repeat the scene?
Of course, repetition helps.
Yes.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'd like a pizza.
Perfect.
I feel happy.
Good. Let's try another place. Work.
Okay, I'm at work.
You see a colleague, you say, "Hi."
Hi.
They say, "How's your day?"
How is my day?
Yes, you can say, "It's good,"
It's good.
or "It's okay."
It's okay.
Very natural.
No big words.
No big words.
What about travel?
Good question. Let's say you are at the airport.
Okay.
Someone asks, "Is this seat free?"
I say yes.
Or, "Yes, it is."
Simple.
Yes, speaking like a native is not hard.
I see that now.
One more scenario. Shopping.
Okay.
You are in a store, you see a shirt.
I like the shirt.
You ask the seller, "How much is this?"
How much is this?
Very good. The seller says, "It's $10."
I say okay.
Or, "Thank you."
Thank you.
Very natural.
I think I can do this.
You can. You are doing it now.
That makes me feel proud.
You should feel proud.
Can we review?
Yes, let's review slowly.
Okay.
Speaking like a native means simple English.
Simple English.
Short sentences.
Short sentences.
Common phrases.
Common phrases.
Real life.
Real life conversations.
Very good.
I feel calm and confident.
That is wonderful.
Thank you, David.
You are welcome, Alice.
No problem.
Yes, no problem.
That is a native phrase.
Yes, it is. I want to keep practicing. Please do. Practice every day.
I will.
Dear listeners, keep listening.
Keep repeating.
Speak slowly.
Speak calmly.
You can speak English like a native.
Easy and slow.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.